Propolis, often referred as bee glue, is a remarkable substance crafted by bees from tree sap and resin. So as bees fly around, they start to collect these raw materials, and through their digestive system, they start to transform them into a sticky and potent adhesive. Bees also use propolis to seal their hives, ensuring security and protection. This wonderful natural glue also serves as a disinfectant, keeping hive cells healthy and thriving. So centuries of traditional use in modern literature have highlighted propolis's rich medicinal properties and uses. It's abundant in flavonoids. Propolis also finds its way into various products, including creams, shampoos, toothpaste, nasal sprays, and oral sprays, as you can see right over here. It is also being used for its topical applications and can also be used externally and internally for many of its health benefits. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make a propolis tincture, what you would need step by step in order to make a similar tincture or extract to this one. For example, this one is a wonderful throat spray that is made majorly from propolis, and also it has a combination of essential oils as well in the mixture. It is alcohol free and it has eucalyptus and peppermint essential oil, really helping with congestion, helping with the winter health as well. So in order to start to make a propolis tincture, we're going to focus on an alcohol-free version, and it would also be great for kids. Now make sure not to give propolis to children under the age of 1, and always do a patch test in order to determine if they do have an allergy or not. So you can start by gathering your propolis and also a vegetable glycerin. So you can use also alcohol, but I always prefer a alcohol-free option. The choice is yours. And the thing here is that the key ratio for this tincture is 2 parts propolis to 9 parts of vegetable glycerin, food based. So for example, if you have 2 ounces of propolis, you'll need about 9 ounces of the vegetable glycerin. So you're going to start off by weighting the propolis. So start by weighting your propolis using a digital scale, and then you're going to choose your food grade glycerin. You're going to measure it, and then you're going to start by combining the ingredients. So prepare a large, sterilized, clean and dry jar. You're going to mix the weight propolis and the vegetable glycerin. You're going to stir well to ensure even distribution, and then you're going to allow it to infuse. So place that jar in a cool, dark place for the next 6 to 8 weeks. Remember to shake the mixture once a week in order to facilitate and ease the infusion process. And after the 6 to 8 weeks has ended, you're going to start to strain that beautiful tincture using a cheesecloth in order to remove any solids. So you can store the liquid in a dark amber colored container with a dropper for easy use. So what can you use this wonderful, beautiful tincture? Well, you can use it for so many different things. It really helps with infections, viral conditions, sore throats, and even fungal issues. This natural elixir is a powerhouse for immune support, making a wonderful addition to your wellness toolkit. Now please make sure to consult with your healthcare professional before using any new tincture, and make sure to follow the safety requirements for making your own tincture. As well, I wish you all the best. Let me know what kind of videos you're interested in so I know what to focus on next.